Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna talk about MIG welding process. But before we proceed, I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon so that you can see my all the updates in the future. So let's proceed without any delay. MIG welding is a process in which we combine two metal parts like steel plates together, and MIG welding is used especially for thin plates or thin parts or thin pipes, and which makes very good surface. In MIG welding, we use suppose for MS plates, we are going to weld MS plates. Then we will use MS wire, and wire thickness will be 0.8 mm. And if you want to weld stainless steel plates together on workpiece, then you will use stainless steel wire, of which the diameter will be 0.8 mm. So in our case today, we will have 0.8 mm MIG wire of MS. So in this process, that MIG wire is run through the torch, as you can see in the background, and there is a shielding gas which is carbon dioxide, which prevents the welding bed from working with the environment gases to make it strong welding. So in this case, we what happens, the MIG welding process makes this welding very smooth and makes it look very good.